Hello guys and welcome. It's Engineering Rebel, and in this video I'm going to be swapping my old wheels on my car into newer ones just like these. Now the reason why I want to change these wheels, and some of you might be asking, why am I changing them if I haven't even used them? Well, the thing is, these wheels just don't suit the look of the car. It just doesn't look good, and I'm not a fan of this yellow. And I think that these black wheels just look a lot better and flow with the design much nicer. So in this video, I'm going to be swapping out the yellow wheels for these nicer black ones. So let's begin. Wow, I'm just in a loss of words. These wheels have transformed this car by a huge margin. The original wheels just didn't flow with the design, but these are much more sleek. It looks absolutely gorgeous. So I think I'm going to wrap it up here. So thank you guys so much for watching. More awesome videos are to come, so hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys in the next one.